Click cell E16. In the formula bar, click the Insert Function button. Excel inserts an equal sign in the formula bar, indicating you will be inserting a formula in cell E16. The Insert Function dialog box opens. Click the or select a category arrow. Excel displays a list of function categories. Click Statistical. The Select a Function box displays a list of statistical functions. Click Max. Click OK. The Function Arguments dialog box opens with text boxes for max function arguments. The insertion point is in the number 1 text box. Type E4 through E14 in the number 1 box. The number 1 argument represents the range that Excel will check for the largest value. Click OK. In cell E16, Excel returns the maximum value found in the range